Hi guys, it's Risa. Dexy, come here. Here's Dexter. He came to say hello. Say hello. This is my cat Dexter, one of my cats. I have Rosie too, but he was talking so much this morning. Okay, Dexter, it's time to bake. Isn't he cute? That's Dexy. He's 4 years old. Anyways, I think I have fur on me. So, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. I'm going to teach you another delicious recipe. I hope you check out my bagels that I made. I made the 2 ingredient bagels. Of course, there's a few missing because we ate some yesterday. I made an apple, cinnamon, and an everything bagel. I know, so delicious. Today, because I'm on an apple cinnamon kick, I'm going to teach you how to make apple cinnamon muffins. Really super easy, guys. Okay, so first of all, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and you can line your muffin tray, or you can just spray it really, really well. I just used some cooking spray. You're going to need oatmeal, 1.5 cups. I used the 1 minute or the quick oats, not steel cut. And I just buy this one at Walmart, super cheap, $2. I'm going to use some Swerve. You can use whatever sugar you want. You could use Truvia, 1/3 cup. The magic number is 1/3, okay? 1/3 cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1/3 cup of unsweetened applesauce, instead of using any margarine or fat. I mean, if you want to use margarine, but this cuts down on the fat. 1/3 cup of plain Greek yogurt, and remember, whatever brand you want to use is fine, okay? I just buy this at Costco. You get 3 for, I think it's $8.99, a super bargain. And then I can make all kinds of other things like my 2 ingredient bagels, right? And other stuff, of course. Some vanilla. I got this huge thing at a bulk place. Yeah, $20, and it's very expensive nowadays, vanilla, but even extract is fine, okay? So about a tablespoon I like. 1 egg that I've whisked. 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. You're going to need some cinnamon or cinnamon sugar. I use equal parts cinnamon to Truvia, Stevia, whatever you want, Swerve. Okay, if you want to use regular sugar, you can, all right? And I don't really measure, I sprinkle in. So if you like a lot, you can use a lot, or you can just use cinnamon, about a tablespoon. You're going to need apple. That's the key, is our apple, and a good 1 full cup, okay? And I've just chopped it up, and you can see that it's brown. Why? Because I put some cinnamon sugar in it already. And I put some lemon so it doesn't get really brown. And I love the flavor of lemon. Of course, you know that. And I'm going to just squeeze some lemon and some lemon rind into it as well. I've cut up just some extra pieces of apple to put on top. And then I'll sprinkle some cinnamon sugar on top as well. Make it look pretty, okay? So let's get started here. I've got everything measured out, so then I don't forget. I've even put a pinch of salt inside my baking powder, because if you've watched any of my videos, you know sometimes I forget. So we're just going to add the oatmeal. I don't know, something, I guess a lid got in. 1.5 cups. And the baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons with a pinch of salt. Don't you like that I'm prepared? Mix that in. Move that out of the way. And then I'm going to take my egg, just 1 egg. And I'm going to take my Swerve. I like the taste of Swerve because it doesn't have any real aftertaste to it. I'm going to add my almond milk. Just keep mixing it. Get any kind of lumps out of it if you're using Swerve applesauce. And my Greek yogurt. And I'm going to use my spatula. Did you guys notice my top? My friend Char from the States sent it to me because she knows I'm a Fitbit fan. And if you're on my group, and I hope you're on my group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa, I love walking. And she knows that, so she sent it to me. Isn't that so nice? So thank you, Char, if you're watching. All right, so, oh, of course I forgot something, the cinnamon sugar. So I'm just going to sprinkle a bunch of that in, about a tablespoon or so. Again, if you just want cinnamon, you can just put cinnamon in. I just mix that in. And I'm just going to add the wet. Oh, hold on a second. Lemon, about a tablespoon. And let's get the lemon rind in. I just have this cute little one. Probably about a teaspoon or so. If you love a lot of lemon, it goes very well with apple. And it brings out some really nice flavor and some vanilla. Okay, I'll measure it. Tablespoon. There. Super easy, right? Just pour that in. Get your spatula. Get your fork. Mix it through. And then you're going to fold in your apple, okay? And that's it, guys. This is great for a breakfast item, a snack after a workout. And I don't like to over mix it. And there it is. All right. Move this out of the way. And I bake it for about 25 minutes. Every oven's different, so check it, okay? Yum. We're gonna just fill these. I just use a little scoop. You can use a little ice cream scoop too if you want. I won't put it too much. I don't like to fill it too much first because I want to make sure I have enough for each one, because you can always add after. I want to make sure you can see. Can you see? There. Now you can see. And I like to keep them in the fridge, or you can freeze them. They stay better. And I love that they're a full-size muffin for 1 smart point. So all you're counting is the oatmeal, right? The applesauce is free, the yogurt is free, the Swerve is free, and the apple is free. So I'm just going to put on my apple slices on top to make it look super cute. I like biting into a nice apple. Oops, I missed one. Oh well, I'll just put some apple pieces on top of that one. That's okay. All right, and just sprinkle with I've just made my own. You can buy it at the store if you want, but just make your own. It's just cheaper and super easy. And just sprinkle on top. And look how fast that was, right? Easy, simple, delicious, nutritious, right? I'm gonna stick it in my oven. Make sure you set the timer, guys. Sometimes I forget that too. All right. So yesterday I was making the video and something happened to my phone. So I have them made already. Dun, da, da, da. Here they are. Okay. So here they are, super yummy. You want me to take a bite? I'll just show it really quick. Yummy. Great snack. If you have a sweet tooth like me, it fulfills that urge to take something that is higher in fat and sugar. So I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. And you keep subscribing and telling people, okay? And tell your friends to come aboard, your Weight Watcher peeps, and anybody on a health journey, really. That's what we're here for, to help each other, okay? And I'm going to just show you. I'm going to turn the camera around, and you can see that I'm going to start my other video. I'm going to make salmon patties. So keep commenting, liking, thumbs up. All right, I love all your comments. And that's it. So take care. Love you guys. And enjoy. And show me what you've made, all right? And tell me all about it. So Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by Risa. Come on my group, Facebook. Bye, guys. Love you.